This video demonstrates how to replace the transfer roller on VersaLink C400 C405 printers. To begin, press the Power Wake button and select Power Off. Open the rear cover. Squeeze both ends to release the roller and lift it from the printer. Use the triangles on the replacement roller to ensure correct orientation. Press down to seat the roller. Close the rear cover. To reset the counter, press the Power Wake button to power on the printer. From the home screen, touch the device app. Touch Supplies. Scroll down and touch Maintenance Kit. Then, touch Reset to complete the process.